Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Crochet Machines is probably one of the most innovative tools to hit the crafting world in recent years, offering a fantastic way for adults to explore the art of crochet. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter looking to speed up your projects or a complete beginner eager to learn, these machines provide a unique and efficient approach to creating beautiful handmade items. This video will guide you through the best options available. Number 5. SENTRO 48 Needles Knitting Machine. This 48-pin knitting machine comes with a row counter, making it easy to track your progress. It also offers adjustable tension for more coordinated stitches. These features help you create beautiful knitted items with ease. The machine features dual modes for versatile knitting. Switch between tube and panel modes to create various items. Whether you're making hats or scarves, this machine has you covered. Made from high-quality ABS materials, this knitting machine is sturdy and reliable. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for beginners and craft enthusiasts. Enjoy the process and reduce stress while creating. This machine offers quick knitting with easy-to-learn circular looms. It's faster than traditional methods, with a smooth handle operation. Simply put the yarn in the thread opening and start creating. Pair the machine with a hex steel drill bit crank handle adapter and an electric drill to automate the process. This is especially useful for those who need to knit large quantities quickly. It replaces hand cranking, making it easier and more efficient. What we like? This machine offers both flat and circular knitting modes, giving you versatility in your projects. It also comes with an adapter that allows you to automate the knitting process with an electric drill, saving you time and effort. If you are looking to create a variety of items, from scarves to hats, and want to speed up your process, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This crochet machine is a game changer for anyone who loves crocheting. It works perfectly and creates beautiful, even stitches every time. The design is user-friendly and easy to operate, even for beginners. Number 4. Leisure Arts, 63 Easy-To-Crochet Pattern Stitches. This book is a treasure trove of crochet stitch patterns. It provides a wide variety of stitches, perfect for any crocheter looking to expand their skills. With these patterns, you can combine different stitches to create a beautiful afghan. It's a great way to personalize your project and make something truly unique. The book includes clear, easy-to-follow instructions for each stitch. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, you'll find the patterns accessible. These stitches are ideal for creating heirloom-quality pieces. The patterns are timeless, ensuring your creations will be cherished for years to come. Let this book inspire your next crochet project. It's filled with ideas and techniques to help you create stunning and memorable pieces. What we like? This book provides easy-to-follow patterns specifically designed for creating beautiful afghans. It's perfect for beginners or those looking for straightforward projects. If you enjoy creating cozy and comforting items for your home, this is a great option for you. What people say. The machine is easy to use and set up. The machine works great and is easy to learn. It works perfectly and is easy to use. Number 3. Kaisa 7 pounds weighted lap blanket. This weighted lap blanket is made from ultra-soft, velvet-like fibers. It provides a skin-friendly experience, enhancing your sleep quality and complementing any decor. This compact blanket offers more than just comfort for your knees. It can also be used as a shoulder pad or a cover blanket. The evenly distributed glass beads provide relief from muscle pains and tension. The travel weighted blanket features a unique leaf-inspired design. The small weight modules ensure all-encompassing comfort, providing a feeling of a warm embrace. Available in multiple colors, this travel weighted blanket comes with a storage box and a carry bag. You can easily roll it up and take it with you, perfect for flights, office breaks, or travel. It's a thoughtful gift for loved ones. This weighted blanket is machine washable and dryer safe. We recommend washing it in cold water and drying it on low heat or letting it air dry. If you have any questions, please contact us 24/7. What we like? This weighted blanket is designed for relaxation and comfort, with a soft, skin-friendly material and a leaf-shaped design. It's also portable and easy to care for, making it ideal for travel or everyday use. If you are looking for a way to reduce stress and improve sleep quality, this blanket is a great choice. What people say. This crochet machine is a game changer for anyone who loves crocheting. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The machine is well designed and built to last. Number 2. Zepiany Crochet Kit for Beginners. This kit is perfect for beginners, including everything you need to get started. It comes with premium yarn, crochet hooks, and step-by-step video tutorials. Whether you're new to crafting or looking for a fun project, this kit is a great choice. Master every stitch with our easy-to-follow video guides. Each step is broken down with slow-motion demonstrations and clear explanations. These guides will help you create beautiful designs with confidence. You'll have plenty of yarn to correct mistakes or explore new ideas. The pre-started crochet circle makes it easier to learn and boosts your confidence. This helps you to enjoy the fun of crocheting. It's a great way to get everyone involved, from kids to adults. This kit is perfect for family projects, helping you bond and create lasting memories. Each item you make adds a touch of love to your home. These crochet animals make ideal gifts for any occasion. Whether it's for family, friends, or teachers, these mini creations are sure to bring a smile. Craft with confidence using our premium, eco-friendly yarn. Crocheting is a fantastic way to relax and focus your mind. This kit is ideal for boosting creativity and improving concentration. It's the perfect mindful activity to help you unwind. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start crocheting adorable animal figures, including yarn, hooks, and step-by-step video guides. It's designed specifically for beginners, making it easy to learn and create. If you're looking for a fun and engaging new hobby or a thoughtful gift, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This machine is a game changer for anyone who loves crochet. It's easy to use and produces beautiful, even stitches. The design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly quiet. Number 1. ADDI I Want IT All Knitting Machine Starter Kit. This amazing set includes 2 world-famous German knitting machines. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals, offering everything you need to start knitting right away. The set features 2 ADDI knitting machines, one with 46 needles and the Express Pro with 22 needles. These machines are brand new and come with an improved counter. The set includes a comprehensive starter kit. It comes with replacement needles, stoppers, and 3 pattern books to guide you through various knitting projects. You'll also receive the ADDI Express hook, which is especially useful for working with the ADDI Express machines. It's also great for complex knitting and crocheting techniques. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned knitter, this set has something for everyone. It provides all the tools and resources to bring your creative visions to life. What we like. This set includes 2 high-quality German knitting machines, along with pattern books and accessories, catering to both beginners and experienced knitters. It provides a comprehensive solution for various knitting projects. If you're looking for a complete knitting setup with premium quality, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The machine is easy to use and set up. It works great and is easy to learn. It is a great machine for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.